Hey fam, the word of encouragement for today is, I know that my Redeemer lives and that in the end, he will stand on the earth. What's up fam, it's your girl Shareen Nicole and I am back with another wig review. Yes honey. So in this video, we're going to be looking at this wig that I got from Amazon because you know your girl loves to shop on Amazon. I don't remember the name of the company, but I will be putting that link down in the description box below. You already know. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Like, look at this wig, y'all. I'm absolutely loving it. I love the bangs. It's a full bang. The one thing I will say is weird is that it did not come with combs. So I was like a little shook because I'm like, how's it going to stay in place? But your girl got this thing on and it wasn't budging. It was like really good. It was definitely good to go. So right here, we're just going to go ahead and plop this thing on. But I did want to show you the clasps in the back. So in the back, you could like adjust it to your head, whether it's like big head friendly, small head friendly. Y'all already know I tell y'all the deets on the wigs. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy on, okay? Because she is super duper shiny and flawless. Like, absolutely loving this. And she's affordable, honey, okay? So let's get this thing on. Y'all, I went to put this wig on and I made those adjustable bands a little too tight. Like your girl centered the wig or whatever, so I centered the adjustable bands in the back to the center, and so that's like the tightest it could get. I mean, it could get tighter, but I was like, okay, and I'm trying to get this thing on. But look at her, y'all. She is so pretty. Like, I absolutely love it. Like that bang, like that, the bang right there is pretty much called like a China bang, where it's like a straight across bang, and I absolutely love that. Like, yo, and make sure y'all be doing them sideburns because you know I already told y'all about it. Today, I didn't make them that extravagant. I just wanted to show you guys that I did do them. And you will see in here that I also try to lift up the wig to see like how it would look if you, you know, clipped it back or whatever. You would have to clip it back ever so slightly so that your edges aren't showing. Or you could just do your edges, honey, right? Okay. As y'all can see, I'm having a little bit too much fun with this wig. But right here is what I was talking about. I'm going to come a little bit closer. Y'all see them edges ain't done? Honey, we need to do those edges. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like if the wind is blowing and your wig is not pulled all the way forward or you didn't do your edges. So, I mean, you do the math. Whichever one pleases you best. If you want to do your edges, you can do that. Or you can just, you know, be natural and, you know, let the wind blow you where it needs to blow you. But yes, honey, I want to thank you guys for joining me on this video. I'm super, super excited to have you all here. Thank you to my new subscribers and old subscribers. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.